Hey guys, welcome back to today's vlog. Today is Ash Wednesday. We have a little holiday. It's the beginning of the Lenten season. So today we're just gonna I'm just going to go to Cafe Dolce. I'm gonna get a salad and like a frozen coffee drink, just simple. We're just enjoying today, relaxing on this lovely holiday. Alright guys, so stay tuned for the rest of the vlog. I'm gonna meet up with my best friend Jody tomorrow. My mom and I were gonna do some stuff because my mom's in Kingston as well. So stay tuned for the vlog. All right, so my outfit, I got this dress from Marshall's, I got the belt bag from Zara, and then my sandals, you can't see them but they're from Zara as well. So yeah, so let's go. I gotta put on my mask and go get something to eat. All right guys, so I'm headed out now to go meet up with Jody. It's the next day. We're gonna go get our brows waxed. We're gonna go shopping for a wedding dress. Yeah, she needs help to find a wedding dress and stuff, so we're gonna go out and do that now. I'm kind of rushing because she didn't tell me she's already there, which is not so smart of her. So I'm gonna head out now, so see you guys soon. Alright, so this part of the vlog wasn't really planned, but my best friend, she has a business where she sells natural hair care products. So she had to go on the road and pick up a few products, some packaging items, labels, and so on that she needs for her business. So I'm just going to include it here. So right now she's just ordering her bottles from this place called PackSmart. They have a variety of things that small business owners may need in Jamaica, especially if you're selling a product. They have them here: jars, bottles, caps, labels, everything they have right here at PackSmart. So yeah, as you can see, just all the packaging stuff that you could need to ship out orders or do any sort of packaging for your business, they have it. So she's just putting in her order for her bottles. You pay right here, and you get your invoice, and as business owners you want to keep that. Very, very important. So this is the size that she wanted, but they don't have any in stock. This is 4 ounce. They do labeling too, I guess. Yeah, these are like juice labels.
Okay,
Then you come to this side to pick up.
Hello.
So,
Yeah.
these are it? Okay. So this is the name of the place, Pac Mart. It's on Balmoral Avenue. So if you know here, near where Maxfield Avenue is, yeah, it's right there. 35 Balmoral Avenue. Alright, so we're going to a labeling place now to get some labels for her products. So let's go. Where is it, Jody? This way. So we're on the plaza with Popeyes in Half Tree. What is plaza name again? I don't know, it's behind York Plaza, guys.
I think it's Limelight.
Limelight Plaza or something like that. This is okay, guys, so I was wrong. It's actually this place. You're gonna see it closer in a bit. So we are behind the Popeyes now. Go here. I'm gonna show you the name of the business. Right here. Alright, so at this business you can do like custom labeling, prints, embroidery, t-shirt prints. I'm gonna show you all the things that they do. They make buttons as well, business cards, I guess logos. So yeah, Gen X Studios does this. I'm gonna show you a variety of things that they do as well. So as you can see, they do printing on like cushions. And here my friend, she's just discussing with the owner how she wants her labels done, the size of her labels. So he's just measuring right now to get the correct size for the labels. And he's gonna cut it, input it on the computer, and then they will have the correct size for all the labels that she's gonna have made today. So there's her label. They're just making some edits and some changes and duplicating it, and now he's gonna print it out for her. And that's the final label, and it has a sticky paper at the back. And here are the final products.
I don't know. It is depressing my stomach, but it's also depressing my ass.
Yeah, you look good, friend.
Can I wear this already?
Yes. It's giving weight, friend.
I can barely breathe.
You can barely breathe.
That's what it's doing. This dress is nice.
Tuck in a belly.
It's not tuck it in, it's tuck it back.
Okay. So I just wanted to pick up some basic pieces this day. So we're headed to New Kingston Shopping Center. We're going to go to a few stores and let's see if we can find some basic pieces because Jamaica is closed. So that's all we're gonna wear. Basic pieces. Alright, this first store is Cuciana's. Didn't find anything in here today. Yeah, but they're a nice store. Then this is my outfit of the day. Went to another store. Didn't find anything I liked here either. These were no. Alright, so let's keep looking, guys. Still at New Kingston Shopping Center, by the way. Alright, now we're in brunch fashion, so let's try these on. Yeah, this, I can see like my bra line and I don't like that in clothes. Probably I need to get a different bra, but I don't know, I don't like that one. I love this black dress though. Yeah, very basic, very me. And then I'm gonna style it with my waist belt. See, you see how that looks? You see how that came together? Yeah, so I got that black dress. And I also got the same dress in an off-white color as well. But I already lost it, like I can't find it. But it's somewhere in my house. We're going to go to the other store, like the new location. Ooh, that's cute. So let's go to this one. Oh yeah, and the strap goes up. Kind of like this.
And it's black.
Yes, multiple wears.
Multiple wears.
Oh, this is so fire for me and not for you with the burgundy dress. It's so cute. And the strap. Wait, hold up the strap. Hold up the strap. So fire for summer. No, these are too cute. It's cute too.
Is it this
It long?
It's not. I'm just getting a supposed size.
That's nice.
You guys have the thing.
I feel like the 8 would have been perfect.
It's perfect.
Yeah, the 9 too big. Strap good fits. Would you look at that?
Oh, my whole heap of space in it.
And we keep it going.
I feel so bad that I don't know kind of put that curtains and look all black.
Put your foot crops.
I think I'm so it would be more expensive. I want to strap it up. Like the fact that we used to see my mother wear them shoes.
There, these shoes are back in style.
My mother used to wear these.
Turn the next side. Alright, so that's it for today's vlog, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below. Tell me your favorite pieces.